During the day, the whole sky lights up bright blue, from your backyard to faraway mountains. But why does it choose blue? Let's find out! Every time you look up, the sunlight pouring down might seem plain and simple. But sunlight hides a secret even cooler than a treasure chest. Inside, there's a whole rainbow mixed together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple all travel from the sun at once. When they team up, their colors blend to make sunlight look white to our eyes. But those colors never disappear. They're just waiting for the right moment to show themselves. The sun sits over 90 million miles from Earth. That's farther than lining up about 17 million school buses, bumper to bumper. Sunlight has to travel that giant distance before it even reaches us. But when it finally gets here, it doesn't just stop. It has one more adventure, diving right into the air that wraps around our planet. The air looks empty, but it's filled with billions of tiny, invisible things called air molecules. Each one is much smaller than a speck of dust. Imagine the air is a huge swimming pool, packed with microscopic, see-through balls. As sunlight moves through this pool, it starts crashing into those balls, bouncing around in every direction. So what happens when all those hidden colors in sunlight start bouncing off invisible air molecules? Here's where things get really interesting. Not every color in sunlight plays by the same rules when it meets the air. Blue light is different. It acts like a super bouncy ball, zipping and bouncing off air molecules in every direction. Red and orange are more like heavy bowling balls. They just roll straight ahead and do not bounce much at all. Because blue light bounces around so much, it spreads out and fills the whole sky. That is why when you look up, the sky glows with blue instead of red or green. The blue light wins the bouncing game, so it is the color your eyes notice most. Here is something wild. If you could see the sky from outer space, it would look black, not blue. The blue only shows up when sunlight hits our air and gets scattered everywhere. But have you ever noticed how the sky changes color at sunset? That is the next part of our story. When the sun gets low and close to the horizon, its light takes a much longer path through the air. That means sunlight travels through more and more air before reaching your eyes. Along the way, most of the blue and green light bounces off in different directions and disappears from view. The reds and oranges, the colors that do not bounce as easily, keep going straight. That is why the sky glows with deep orange, bright pink, or even red stripes at sunset. Sometimes the colors are so bold, it looks like someone painted the sky with a giant brush. Even the clouds can turn gold or purple, all because of this color-changing trick. So, whether it is the bright blue of midday or the fiery orange of sunset, the sky is always showing us the secret colors of sunlight. Every time you look up, you are watching sunlight play its color tricks in the sky. The blue above and the bright sunsets happen because sunlight and air work together in a special way. Now, whenever you spot those colors, you will know the secret hidden right over your head. The sky is full of surprises. Every single day. See you next time for another adventure With Curiosity Crew,